All right, Mr. Galt here, Unit 2. We're going to try to help you out, give you some of the test questions that you'll see on the Unit 2 test and let you know where you can find the answers on your lesson note-taking guide. Remember, you can use your lesson note-taking guide on the test. So we're going to show you about half the questions. The very first question is the very first question you'll see. It is the only essay question you'll see, and it is compare and contrast the 4 economic types. A complete answer should be 4 to 6 sentences. So you'll find out where on your lesson note-taking guide where the 4 economic types are. All right, let's go over some of the essay questions. Not essay questions, the multiple choice questions. The first one that I'm going to talk to you about is the first question you'll see that's multiple choice on the test, which is Jessica is trying to decide between a trip to SeaWorld and a trip or a cruise to the Bahamas. If Jessica chooses the trip to SeaWorld, then what is the opportunity for this decision? For that one, you will look on page 2 of your lesson note-taking guide under 2.3, and that's talking about opportunity costs. So you'll definitely want to know that area right there for that question. Let's ask another question that you might want to know. In an economy where price signals resulting from supply-demand forces within the economy determine the allocation of sources and the production of goods and services, okay? That's going to be in the ones that are talking about the different types of economies, okay? The different types of economies. And that is going to be on, there we go. That's 2.6, all right? So definitely know your types of economies there are. And we'll see that right next. We'll see that one later on. You'll read that one right now. All right, let's go to another one. An exchange or compromise in which you give up one thing to get another thing. That's going to be on one of the earlier lessons, okay? So, that's going to be in some of these definitions. You can see the word right now. If you know the word, you see it already. It's on there. So make sure you know your definitions there. The production possibilities curve. All right, so let's go to that. This is the one that you're going to look at to be able to find the answer to this question. So if you see the question about the production possibility curves, know why we have that chart and what it means, and you'll be able to find the answer there. And then another one, you need to know this word again. Please kind of know, that's a question. Make sure you know what a trade-off is. Make sure you definitely focus on that definition. It's a really important word for economy and opportunity cost and all that kind of stuff. You also will need to know why can't a business maintain an artificially high price? Okay, that will be on 2.7, I believe. Let me find it. I had it marked off for you. Yeah, that's this top one right here. That's going to help you answer that question. You should know why a business can't maintain a hard price, such a large price. The condition by which non-paying consumers can be prevented from accessing a good or service. What is that about? So I'll let you know the vocabulary words you need to know for that one. And that is, come on, Paige. All right, and you don't want to go? You don't have to go. I can get you another way. Where is it going? There we go. We're moving now. You want to know these 2 definitions. That's going to help you answer that question. One of my favorite questions, and I name dropped our assistant principal and talked about what happens if she just totally jacked up her prices on her imaginary business that I made up for her. What happens? And that's going to be right here. What happens in if there comes unstable, unreasonable? You can find that right there. So yeah, that's most of societies have to set up a system as it relates to their economy, which is the following question that must do. So here we go. So back at this one later on, but you will need to know the 3 basic questions that societies must answer as it relates to economics. So make sure you have that one picked out. Let's see, anything else I have marked out for you guys to know? Did I do this one over here? Let's go. Yep. Alrighty, so that's pretty much all of them. Another key thing you need to know is to retake the test, you have to have this guide filled out. I hope this is somewhat useful, and you guys have a good day. Bye.